Bromeliads are fascinating plants, but are often misunderstood as being high maintenance or requiring special green thumb skills. Let me show you how easy it is to care for and enjoy these beautiful plants. Bromeliads are bold and stylish houseplants and widely available at garden centers. These plants have gorgeous and long-lasting blooms in shades of pink, red, and orange that last for several weeks. The leaves are thick, sword-shaped straps that grow in a rosette. The rosette forms a natural cup structure that collects water in nature. Care of your bromeliad is easy, no special tools required. Place in medium to bright light. Fill the cup with water at the base of the leaves. Be sure to empty weekly to keep the cup clean and free of debris. Bromeliads are drought tolerant, so no worries if you forget to water from time to time. Now, bromeliads usually only bloom once in their lifetimes and will begin to decline, but all is not lost. The plant will begin to produce structures called pups. This is a method bromeliads use to propagate themselves. When large enough, they can be separated from the mother plants using a sharp knife and planted in cactus potting mix for good drainage. Continue the same care for these puppies that the mother plant received. Now, it may take a year before the bromeliad pups mature enough to begin blooming. Remember, patience is a virtue. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I'll see you next time on Southern Gardening.